Yesterday here on Coast Life, we were having it out in our great debate. We were talking dishes. Do you do them while you cook, or do you do them when you're all done? And you and I were actually on the same page on this one, which is rare for us in a great debate.
We were on the same page, and I literally do not understand the other side of the page.
I understand the hopes and dreams of somebody that likes to clean as they go, and that way, when dinner is served, they got a lot less work waiting for them after dinner. My dad was like that. Like when he cooks, he kind of cleans alongside. My mom is a little bit more like myself, and you leave all the pots and pans till you're done. And if he cleaned after her cooking, he was like, why do you do that? And I find that in my relationship, it's sort of a similar dynamic where I leave all of the dishes, and he's like, but why? And I'm like, because I'm not done.
Well, let's talk about the poll itself.
Yes.
Let's take a look at our results. We put it out to have everybody kind of weigh in. And
50-50 split.
Shockingly, to me anyway, it is. It's 50-50.
And for a while, we had more people sitting at the clean as you go side. I say you're a bunch of liars.
I don't know who these wildly aspirational people are that are under the belief that they are going to be able to clean along the way. But it ain't me, babe. It ain't me.
Elisa Weber said she was one. She said she cannot sit and enjoy her meal if she knows there are dishes waiting for her. So
that's crazy talk.
I agree.
I can't look at my finished meal and go, you know what would be great right now? If I was doing the dishes instead of eating this hot meal that I just spent 25, 30 minutes making. No, eat the food while it's warm. Then you clean up.
Yes, and for me, hot meal is the key, and that's why all my dishes wait till the end, because I'm using them all right up until dinner is served, and then there's a bunch of dishes left over. But yeah, we're not the only ones that had opinions. We sent our field correspondent, Kendall Gordon, out to get yours.
When you're doing the dishes and you're like making dinner, do you clean up as you go and wash the dishes, or do you wait until your food's done and then wash the dishes, all of them after?
All of them after. Really? Unless it's a huge meal, then I clean as I go.
Right, yep.
Thanksgiving or something.
Yes.
You do it as you go.
When you're like in the kitchen and you're cooking, do you wait and save all your dishes till the very end, or do you cook and clean as you go along?
Wait to the very end,
Yep.
every time. Pretty consistent with that.
Yeah, the same way. Guilty.
I'd rather just do it at the end.
Yeah, that's
Knock it
fair.
all out.
It depends on who's cooking. But
She waits to the end. I do it all the way through.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
actually, yeah, it depends. If he's helping me, that's a great partnership because he will clean up while I'm doing the cooking. And then we can even put on good music like Celine Dion and dance in the kitchen, which we do too.
That's great. It makes chores a little more fun.
See, I think we've got a lot of people that are, sure, I wish I cleaned as I went, but I think there is also an interesting dynamic there amongst the couples where it's, oh, well, depends on who's doing the dishes afterward, whether or not I clean as I go.
Well, and then you've got three different groups. You've got the aspirational, I clean as I go, and if you can pull it off, I mean, I'll give you the applause. It's not for me. You've got the clean just after eating, and we may have further conversations about this down the line, you've got the I was supposed to clean after dinner, kind of let the dishes sit for a while, didn't really get there until I was harangued a bit, and that one is probably the least desirable outcome.
Nothing makes me more upset than like a wet sponge that has been sitting there and like not squeezed out, and so then when you go to use the sponge, it's just like, and it smells, and you're like, oh, everything about it is horrible. But be on the lookout on Tuesdays for our great debate. And make sure you look for our poll as well. You can go to coastlife.com/vote. That is where you'll find all of our polls and where you can exercise your right to vote. But we do have more Coast Life coming your way. We got a really sweet face and our pet of the week to introduce you to when we get back.